Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Amalina. On this occasion, I will present my essay writing to complete my midterm test on essay writing course. So, I will show you my essay writing process, and the title is about how to make a good descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text whose main idea is developed about a description of something, or descriptive text can be interpreted as a text that clearly describes the events, object, or place in the reading that is the topic of the reader. The description text is described so that the reader can feel directly or as if it is in the text of the story, so that what the writer says to the reader can be understood easily. The success of this descriptive text can be measured when the reader can feel, see, or hear the objects and events that are being described. So, how to make a good descriptive text? The first step in making an essay is to determine the theme or topic of the essay. Themes are defined as main thoughts, while topics are the main topics of discussion. When viewed from the point of view of an essay that has been complete, the theme is a main message conveyed by the author through his essay. In fact, to write an essay, the writer must choose a topic or subject matter. Thus, when compiling a theme for an essay, there are two most basic elements, namely the topic or subject matter and the objective to be achieved through the topic. For novice authors, determining the topic of writing is something that is rather difficult to do. In determining the topic, the writer must really know what problem to write about. So, in order for the topic to really materialize, choose a topic that really attracts attention. The next step in writing descriptive text is to create a writing outline. A written outline is an outline of the story that will be written in a piece of writing. Before writing, a writer needs to establish a writing outline. The written outline is a guideline or reference for the writer about what things will be written. So that by using a writing framework, the storyline to be written is clearer and more focused. This is in accordance with the opinion of Goris Karaf at 1994 that the outline of an essay is a word plan that contains an outline of an essay that will be worked on. After the outline of the essay is prepared, the next step is to develop the writing framework into a full writing. The development of the composition framework is carried out one by one. In writing or developing an essay framework, there are several elements that must be considered, and these elements are an assessment of whether or not the result of the essay is met. These elements are content of the ideas put forward, the organization of the content or sequence of events, grammar, choice of structure and vocabulary, and use of correct spelling. In order for the content of the essay to be easily understood by readers, use good grammar, word structure, and vocabulary that is easy for the reader to understand. To compile the outline of an essay, materials are needed that can be extracted from experience, the imagination of books, magazines, newspaper, interviews, and so on. After the ingredients are collected, we arrange this point of thought well and should not be careless. Which story should be put in the beginning and which should be put at the end. Okay, developing a good descriptive text is said to be easy if the writer really understands the purpose of his writing. If the writer understands the purpose, it will be easy to determine the topic of descriptive text and determine the writing framework. Determining the topic and writing framework is an important point in descriptive text because in developing the writing framework into a descriptive text writing can be assisted by supporting media such as additional reading on the topic of the descriptive text we choose. In developing the writing framework, there are also several elements that need to be considered so that the reader understands the contents of our descriptive text. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.